Hi everyone, it's Professor Clark. I need you to dust off your Twitter accounts because our first class session, we are going to try some live tweeting. We're going to live tweet our discussion on that day. So what's going to happen is I'm going to post a series of questions and you all will respond using our class hashtag the Black Twitter class. So this lesson is Do It for the Vine, Selfies, GIFs, Memes, and Visual Culture Online. There are a few sort of Easter eggs in this presentation. As with all the presentations, if you take a look at the title slide here, you can see that Do It for the Vine is a hot link, and you can click on that and see why Do It for the Vine is a thing. So this picture is called Crossing the Digital Black Atlantic. So I want you to take a close look at all of the images in this particular meme. Try to identify how many memes are in this mashup. That's a question we're going to talk about in our small groups.
Amnesty International decided that the online abuse and harassment of women technically was a human rights issue. They found that women of color were 34% more likely to face harassment than white women. When there's controversy on Twitter, it blows up. People are just streaming to the site, and therefore they get a lot more foot traffic. This foot traffic means that they'll make a lot more ad revenue. It means they have more users. It means they have a lot more hype. And this just creates a lot more money and physical gain for them.